Designed for coating processes, ZHYAO powder curing oven supports your business development. Whether it's bridge type, tunnel type, or box type curing ovens, ZHYAO offers customized solutions based on your specific needs. Our curing ovens feature multiple heating methods, including radiation and hot air circulation, and support various energy sources such as natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas, diesel, and electricity to meet different production requirements. The interior design of galvanized plates and rock wool boards ensures stable and long-term operation of the equipment. The temperature inside the oven is uniform, with a temperature difference controlled within plus or minus 3°C, greatly improving coating quality and production efficiency. Moreover, the design of the hot airflow reduces energy consumption, saves labor costs, and enhances operational convenience. For more information, feel free to contact us anytime.
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.